Today I discuss the inductive effect. Inductive effect is the important topic in GOC of organic chemistry. Now, let us consider inductive effect. Inductive effect is called as I effect. What is the inductive effect? The partial displacement of sigma bond or electron towards the electronegative atom is called the inductive effect. The partial displacement or shift of sigma bond towards electronegative atom is called I effect or inductive effect. Our inductive effect is two types, plus I and minus I. Plus I effect and minus I effect. Now we can discuss the both two effects. Here mainly the sigma bond electron and electronegative atom contain the main role in inductive effect. Our electronegative atom is halogen such as bromine, chlorine, fluorine, iodine, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and if the electronegative atom bind with the sigma bond or carbon, this is the delta negative and this is delta positive. So this structure here X is denoted as electronegative atom, and here this sigma bond displacement is denoted as the inductive effect. If electronegative atom gives electrons towards the carbon, this X atom is called electron donating atom or electron donating group. Or if this X atom attract all the electron towards itself, then this X part is denoted as electron withdrawing group. When the electron donating group X, electronegativity of X is greater than electronegativity of carbon, then this possibility is occurred. If electronegativity of carbon is greater than electronegativity of X, then this electron donating group apply its power. So what is the minus I effect? If halogen compound such as X or fluorine binded with carbon, 4 carbon chain, that is butane, bind with one halogen. Halogen is electronegative atom. Its content delta negative, and this carbon is content delta positive. Now this chlorine donates its all electronegativity towards this carbon. So this effect is called minus I effect. Here chlorine play as an electronegative or electron donating atom. This chlorine is electron donating group. Similarly, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine show its minus I effect. In the periodic table, these all are group 17 elements. They are halogen elements. From above to below, the electronegativity decreases. That means the fluorine play more minus I effect than chlorine, than bromine, than iodine. So if it is A, B, C, D. So electronegativity or minus I effect order is A greater than B, C greater than D. Now this is our minus I effect. If our compound show is minus I effect, that means this compound is more acidic or acidic. This minus I effect show acidity. If the compound contain much number of minus I effect, that means much number of acidic in nature. Okay, and electron donating group play the minus I effect. So this is our minus I effect. Now our next part is plus I effect. If our electronegativity of carbon is greater than electronegativity of X, then this compound is denoted as plus I effect, such as this carbon chain contain the X. The electronegativity of carbon is greater than X, then this X pull all the electron towards itself. So this X is denoted as electron withdrawing group. CH3 group play the plus I effect towards itself. Here the 3 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon and 1 degree carbon play the plus I effect role. This is a 3 degree carbocation. 3 degree carbocation play more plus I effect than the 2 degree carbocation. Carbocation play more plus I effect than 1 degree carbocation, and 1 degree carbocation is play more plus I effect than the 0 degree or the methyl group carbocation. That means if the tertiary compound containing carbon chain play more plus I effect towards this CH3 group, 3CH3 group play triple plus I effect towards this electron withdrawing group. This is number 1. Number B is, this is the 3 degree carbocation. If the 2 degree carbocation similarly contain the carbon chain its play the plus I effect but less than the 3 degree carbocation only towards the electron withdrawing group. Similarly, the 1 degree carbocation 1 CH3 group play one plus I effect towards the electron withdrawing group. So its plus I effect order is A greater than B greater than C. If the compound is more plus I effect, that means the plus I effect denoted the less acidic nature. That means they are more basic in nature. They are basic in nature. So this is the basic concept of inductive effect.